Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th maths and our chapter is comparing quantities. So student, you know what is how to compare two quantities. We learn in this chapter, and today we learn what about percentage. Yesterday we learned about ratio. What is ratio? When we compare two quantities by division, it's called a ratio. Okay, and we know ratio has no unit, and we also know when we compare two quantities, their unit will be same. Okay, understand? So when we compare two quantities by division, it's called a ratio of the that number. Okay, that quantity, ratio of that quantities. Okay, so when we want to compare any two quantities by division, it's called a ratio, and we know that ratio has no unit. Understand? So to know how many times one quantity is of the other, or to know what part one quantity is of the other. Okay, it is called the ratio of quantity of the same kind and in the same unit. Okay, understand? And the ratio of two number a and b is be denoted by a upon b. Okay, ratio of two number a is to b we denoted by a upon b, where b is not equal to 0. Okay, understand? Is called ratio, and this is the sign of ratio. Okay, and simplest form of a ratio is in simplest form is also called the ratio in the lowest term. Okay, to compare two quantity or to find the ratio, the unit must be the same. Okay, this is the main point. Okay, understand? So ratio is always denoted in its simplest form, or when we compare two quantities by division, we call it ratio. Okay, we always compare quantity of same kind. Okay, we always compare quantity with same unit, and ratio have no unit, or the order of the term in a ratio is very important. Okay, understand? So we learned these in our previous video. Okay, about ratio. Now, and we learn about proportion also, and we also find equivalent ratio. Okay, to find whether the given ratio are equivalent or not, we write them in the form of fraction, and if these fraction are equal, so are the ratio, means ratio be equal honge. Okay, two ratio that have the same value are the equivalent ratio. Okay, two ratio have the same value are the equivalent ratio, or a ratio equivalent ratio you obtain by multiplying or dividing both the term of a given ratio by a same non-zero number is called an equivalent ratio. Okay, understand? And you know, first, if you write a is to b, so a is called antecedent and b is called consequent. Okay, understand? And then we learn remember one thing also, a ratio a is to b is said to be in simplest form if the HCF of a and b is 1. To reduce a ratio a is to b in simplest form, we divide each of its term by HCF of a and b. Okay, you can divide it by HCF of a and b. a और b का जो HCF होगा आप उससे उसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ, and we also learn proportion, keeping thing in proportion and getting solution. Okay, so on expressing two ratio as fraction, if the numerator and denominator of one ratio can be obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator of the other ratio by the same number, then the two fraction are said to be equivalent. Okay, and if two ratio are equivalent ratio, so a proportion is a statement used to express two equivalent ratio. Okay, so we use proportion. Okay, what is the sign of proportion? The sign of proportion is 4 dot. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड मीन्स अगर दो रेशो इक्विवेलेंट हैं, सपोज ए इज टू बी इज इक्वल टू सी इज टू डी, तो वी कैन राइट इट ए इज टू बी इज प्रपोर्शन टू सी इज टू डी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो यू कैन राइट दिस वे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Now another way of comparison is called percentage. Percentage are numerator of fraction having denominator as 100. Percentage are used in comparing result. Okay, percent means is represented by symbol this is the symbol of percent. Okay, understand? And what do you mean by percentage? Percent is divided from derived from Latin word percentum, means per 100. Okay, and what is the meaning of this number? This sign is, meaning of this sign is per 100. Okay, suppose you want to write 9%, then you can write 9 upon 100. Okay, understand? So this is the way you have write the any percent. Okay, understand? Now percent when total is not 100. सी, अगर हमें परसेंटेज निकालना है किसी नंबर का, टू कन्वर्ट अ फ्रैक्शन इनटू परसेंटेज, सो देयर इज, so student you have to remember when we take 100 as a denominator of fraction, the numerator is called percentage. Okay, understand? Means percentage is a fraction with denominator equal to 100. Okay, the word percent जो है उसका मीनिंग होता है per 100. Okay, understand? means out of 100. Okay, और सिंबल हमने देख लिया उसका कौन सा होता है. Now if you write 50%, what is the meaning of 50%? So meaning of 50% is 50 upon 100. Okay, means this sign meaning 1 upon 100. Okay, understand? So this is the meaning of percent. Now to convert fraction into percentage, yesterday we have talked about it, how to convert fraction into percentage. To convert a fraction into percentage, we multiply or divide its numerator and denominator by the suitable numbers so that the denominator become 100. Okay, understand? So student, to convert a fraction into percentage, you multiply or divide its numerator and denominator by the suitable numbers so that the denominator become 100. Okay, understand? Now to convert ratio into percentage, same method. To convert ratio into percentage, we can write the ratio as fraction and multiply the fraction by 100 as a sign by percentage symbol. Okay, understand? And converting percentage into fraction and decimals, and to convert decimal into percentage. To convert decimal into percentage, we move the decimal point by 2 place to the right and assign percentage symbol, or multiply the decimal by 100 and assign the sign percentage. Okay, understand? So yesterday we learned about it, and converting percentage into fraction, ratio and decimal, same method. Okay, to convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide the number by 100 and drop the percentage symbol. Okay, the fraction is expressed in its simplest form. Okay, understand? So these are the way to convert the percent into decimal, and decimal into percent, percent into fraction, and fraction into percentage. Okay, and then okay, find percent when total is not 100. अगर 100 नहीं है तो मैंने आपको मेथड बताई थी कल. ओके, 100 आपको बनाना है. ओके, राइट 1/3 एज अ परसेंटेज. इफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 7, सी द एग्जाम्पल 7. ओके, 1/3 को आपको परसेंटेज लिखना है एंड यू नो 1/100 इज परसेंट. परसेंटेज साइन का मीनिंग क्या होता है बच्चों? द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज 1/100. ओके, सो 1/3 को आपको परसेंटेज में लिखना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लाई भी 100 से करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड भी 100 से करना पड़ेगा. ये जो डिवीज़न वाला है ये तो आपको बन जाएगा परसेंटेज का साइन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो योर आंसर इज 1/3 into 100%, or you can write 100/3%. Okay, and when you divide 100 by 3, so your answer is 1/33 is to 1/3%. Okay, or you can divide it also. Okay, divide it, 100 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and this is 1. Your answer is 33 is to 1/3%. 33 is to 1/3%. Okay, understand? So this way you see the example number 10. Convert the given decimal to percentage 0.75, and you know 0.75 you have right 75/100. Okay, into 100%. So 100 से 100 cancel हो जाएगा. Your answer is 75%. Okay, this way you convert decimal into percentage. Okay student, understand? Now fun with estimation. Percent help us to estimate the part of an area. Yesterday we talk about it. See this figure. If we estimate this figure, so total 3 parts हैं. 3 parts में से 1.5 figure आपका shaded है, तो आप लिखेंगे 1/2 part into 100%. So 50% part is shaded and 50% is not shaded. Okay, understand? And here also remember the unit of both the quantity must be same while calculating one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. Okay, so unit कैसी होनी चाहिए? दोनों की सेम होनी चाहिए. Okay, understand? Now we can learn about use of percentage. Okay, so student, we already know how to round off number to nearest tens, 100, 1000, etc. Also we can estimate some difference, multiplication and division of number to the given place. Similarly, we can estimate the percent of a given quantity. For example, if we find 28% of 138, it will be 38.64. Okay, but its estimate, okay, estimate value will be 30% of 140. ओके, बाय राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 10. हमने क्या किया? उसे राउंडिंग ऑफ कर दिया नियरेस्ट 10. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे वी हैव एस्टिमेट. सपोज वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड 30% ऑफ 280, 30% of 280. So what is the meaning of 30% of 280? 30/100 into 280. Okay, 0 से 0 कट होगा. Okay, so what is your answer? 28 into 3. Okay, 28 into 3, 8 3s are 84%. Okay, so this is estimation. एस्टिमेशन हमारा होगा 84. बट अगर हम इसका एस्टिमेशन निकालने जाएंगे तो हमें 30% ऑफ 280 का नियरेस्ट वैल्यू क्या होगा? किसके नियर अबाउट है? कौन से 100 के नियर अबाउट है? इट्स नियर अबाउट 300. तो सो वी कैन फाइंड 30% ऑफ 300. जब हमें एस्टिमेशन निकालना है तो हम इस टाइप से निकालेंगे. दैट मीन्स 30/100 into 300. So your answer is 90. So estimation is 90. Okay, understand? So this way you can find the estimate of any percent. Okay, understand? Now, so use of percentage, interpreting percentage means हम क्या करते हैं? इंटरप्रिटेट करते हैं कि हमारे कितने, सपोज एग्जाम्पल 5% ऑफ इनकम इज सेव्ड बाय रवि, or 20% of Mira's dresses are blue in color, 50% I have complete my course. Okay, so these are interpretation in percentage. Okay, by 5% we mean 5 part out of 100 और वी राइट 5/100. अगर हम 5 पार्ट बोलते हैं मीन्स 5% का मीन्स होता है 5 पार्ट और आउट ऑफ 100. ओके, 20% मीन्स 20 पार्ट आउट ऑफ 100. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो converting percentage to how many, we can also convert percentage into how many. Means a survey of 40 children, see the example, survey of 40 children saw that 25% like playing football. How many children like playing football? Now you don't know सर्वे ऑफ 40 चिल्ड्रन, 40 चिल्ड्रंस का सर्वे है, उसमें से 25% को फुटबॉल पसंद है. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी how many children like the football. So we can write आउट ऑफ 100 में से कितने अगर हम मानेंगे 100 में से 25 बिकॉज 25% इज गिवन. ओके, सो आउट ऑफ 100 कितने हुए 25. 100 में से 25 स्टूडेंट को फुटबॉल पसंद है. ओके, सो 40 में से कितने को पसंद होगी तो 25/100 इंटू 40. दैट इज 10 स्टूडेंट. ओके, दिस इज ये एक वे है, आप इस वे से निकाल सकते हैं आंसर. और सेकंड वे है, आप लिख सकते हो सिंपली. व्हाट इज सेकंड वे? सेकंड वे आपको दिया हुआ है 25% ऑफ 40 स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट 25/100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन इंटू 40. 0 से 0 कट होगा. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 5 ज़ा 25. So you can get 10 children. Okay, hence 10 children out of 40 like playing football. Okay, understand? So this way you complete the question word problems. How many? Okay, now see, Rahul brought a sweater and saved ₹200. When the discount of 25% was given, what was the price of the sweater before the discount? Okay, 25% of the original price is equal to 200 rupees. Okay, मोहन ने क्या किया 25% of original price is equal to 200 rupees. Let the price will be P. So 25% of P is equal to 200. तो 25/100 into P is equal to 200. तो हमने P की वैल्यू निकाली, that is 800. Okay, now अब्दुल ने क्या किया, उसे पता है हर 100 रुपीज़ पर कितने परसेंट का सेविंग हो रहा है उसका 25 मीन्स 100 पर 25. सो अमाउंट ऑफ 200 इज सेव्ड. सो 100/25 इंटू 200. सो यू कैन गेट 25 रुपीज़, 800 रुपीज़. ओके, दीज आर 2 मेथड यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 8.2. सो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज कन्वर्ट द गिवन fractional number to percentage. Okay, so here 1/8 are here, so you can you have to convert it in percentage. Okay, so you can take, आपको क्या कर सकते हैं 100/100 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में. सो इट बिकम 100/8%. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू कट इट डाउन. 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 2 2 ज़ा 4. So you can get 25/2%, or you can write 12.5%. Okay, so it become 12.5%. Okay, understand? So आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, आपका आंसर हो सकता है 1/8 को आप लिख सकते हैं 25/2%, और you can write 12.5%. Okay, understand? Now second वाले में 5/4 into 100/100. So 500/4%. Okay, so 4 1 ज़ा 4, or you can write 4 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so it become 125%. Okay, understand? So this way you have solved question C and D. Okay, understand? Now another one, convert the following given decimal fraction to percentage. So your question is 0.65. So you know 0.65 को आप लिख सकते हैं 65/100. So you can write 65%. Okay, understand? Or another method is you have write 65/100 into 100%. 100 से 100 कटेड डाउन हो जाएगा. So your answer is 65%. Okay, understand? सेम वे 2.1%. 2.1 को आप लिख सकते हैं 21/10 इंटू 100%. 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा, आपका बचेगा 210%. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस वे यू कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन C and D. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एस्टिमेट व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ द फिगर इज कलर्ड and hence find the percent which is colored. So in this question, see, we know a circle having 360 degree. Okay, and when we divide this circle into equal 4 parts, so हम देख रहे हैं 4 पार्ट में से कितना पार्ट उसका कलर्ड है? ओनली 1/4. ओके, टोटल 4 पार्ट्स में से 1 पार्ट इज कलर्ड. सो यू कैन राइट इट 1/4 पार्ट इज शेडेड. और 1/4 पार्ट को आप किस टाइप से लिखेंगे? अगर परसेंटेज में लिखना है तो 1/4 इंटू 100%. सो यू कैन राइट 100/4% और यू कैन राइट 25%. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे यू हैव फाइंड. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड वन में आपके टोटल कितने पार्ट हैं? सी हियर 1 2 3 4 5. 5 पार्ट में से 3 पार्ट्स कलर हैं, तो आप लिखेंगे 3/5 पार्ट इज कलर्ड, इज शेडेड. ओके, एंड हाउ टू फाइंड परसेंटेज? 3/5 इंटू 100%. ओके, 3/5 इंटू 100%. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे यू फाइंड द परसेंटेज. ओके, फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में क्या होगा? कितने पार्ट दिख रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. टोटल 8 पार्ट दिख रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट 3/8 बिकॉज 3 पार्ट्स इज शेडेड. सो यू कैन राइट 3/8 इंटू 100% एंड देन यू हैव फाइंड द आंसर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे यू फाइंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, understand? So question first, second and third you complete in your notebook. Okay student, so today we learn how to convert percentage into decimal and decimal into percentage. Okay, and how to convert fraction, any fractional number into percentage. Okay, understand? So first question number first, second and third complete in your notebook. Okay, so we can learn today. We learn about percentage. Okay, now converting fraction to percentage. The method is first, if possible, find a suitable multiplying factor to convert the denominator by 100. Okay, or you can make use some following कॉम्बिनेशन. अगर आपको 100 बनाना है तो आप, अगर डिनोमिनेटर 2 है तो 50 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके भी आप उसे 100 बना सकते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर अगर 4 है, 5 है, तो आप 20 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. ओके, 4 है, देन यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर इज 8, देन यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 125. और डिनोमिनेटर इज, इफ डिनोमिनेटर इज 16, देन यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 625 टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू जीरोस. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर को आप जीरोस बनाने के लिए ये कन्वर्शन कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे यू कन्वर्ट एनी फ्रैक्शन इनटू percentage. Okay, and if you want to convert decimal into percentage, so to convert decimal into percentage, simply multiply the decimal number by 100%. Okay, and to convert a ratio into percentage, first convert the ratio into fraction and then multiply the fraction by 100%. Okay, understand? So this way you convert any fraction, any decimal, any rational number into percentage. Okay, understand? So complete 8.2, question number first, question number second and question number third in your notebook. Okay, question number first A and B I will do for you, and C and D is your homework. And in question number 2, A and B I will complete it, C and D is your homework. And question number third, question third का थर्ड आपका होमवर्क है. ओके, सो दीज 5 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट इन योर नोटबुक, एंड जो मैंने आपको करवाए हैं वो भी आपको कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, सो योर नोटबुक इज़ अप टू डेट and complete 8.2 question first, second and third in your notebook. Okay, have a good day.